In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Smartsheet into Excel. This process is actually quite straightforward and can be done by following just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to transfer data for easier manipulation, share with colleagues who prefer Excel, or simply back up your information, exporting from Smartsheet ensures you have access to your data in the format that suits your needs. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the specific sheet or report that you plan to export. Make sure you've got everything just how you want it. This includes ensuring all your data is up to date and any critical changes are in place. Once you've got the desired sheet or report open, you'll move to access the File menu. Now, if you glance towards the top of the screen, you should spot the File tab. Click on it, and you'll be met with a drop-down menu. With the File menu open, you'll want to navigate your way to the Export option. Depending on your familiarity, this is where some users might stumble, but don't worry, it's really easy once you know where to look. Hover over Export, and then you'll see a list of potential file formats that you can export your Smartsheet into. For today, our interest lies in getting this data into Microsoft Excel, so go ahead and select Export to Microsoft Excel. It's usually one of the top options you'll see. Once you click on Export to Microsoft Excel, Smartsheet will immediately start processing your request. This action initiates the download of an Excel file, which you might notice appears as an .xlsx file format. This file type is the standard format used by Excel, meaning you can seamlessly open and continue working with the data right in Excel. You'll generally find the downloaded file in the default Downloads folder on your computer, but you can also choose where to save it if prompted by your browser. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully exported your data ready for Excel processing. Now you can edit, analyze, or share this Excel file as needed. This method is excellent because it retains the integrity of your data, ensuring a clean transition from Smartsheet to Excel. Plus, it's perfect for those who need a quick way to access their data offline or present it in a different format. Remember, while Smartsheet provides powerful collaborative capabilities, sometimes Excel's tools are more familiar or better suited for your task, and knowing how to efficiently export your work ensures you're never limited by platform boundaries. So keep this method in your toolkit for whenever you need to make that transition between Smartsheet and Excel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.